Welcome to LIS 548. I wanted to first welcome you to the course, but also to give you a few getting started tips and pointers as we get started with this online class. So the first thing you'll need to do is access the online class. You'll need to go to the eClass login website, which is this URL up here. You can get to it from the eClass link on the U Alberta website, and you'll just need to type in your CCID and password. Once you've done that, you will be taken to your eClass homepage, which will look something like this. Take note of the fact that there are some tutorials for students on the right-hand side here, and if you haven't used Moodle before, you might want to take a look at those before we get too far into the class. I'm teaching a number of classes this semester, so I've got a lot of courses in my homepage. The one that interests us right now is, of course, LIS 548. So you'll need to click on the link there, and that will get you right into the main course site. Couple of things that you should take note of. First, Moodle makes use of boxes or what they call blocks. I think of them as boxes. Blocks on the sides of your screen that help you navigate through the site, but also give you some further information. So pay close attention to the navigation box here. This will help you move through the course and take you to various topics within the course. On the right-hand side, I've added a number of different blocks that will be of interest to you, including a listing of recent activity, new things that have happened in the course since the last time you logged in, and this news topic, which is actually tied into this news forum block in the middle here. This is where I will post announcements and messages that are of interest to the entire class. You will also get those automatically sent to your U Alberta email address, and this is where I will post Monday morning messages and other announcements that I want everybody to see right away. The course itself is in the middle of the screen, and again, these are called blocks or topics, and I've set up a number of topics for our course. The ones that are particularly useful or important for you at this point in the course, in these first few days of the course, are the Getting Started section and the assignment section. In Getting Started, I would encourage you to read this little document first. It's an overall welcome to the course. It gives you some information about me and about my teaching style. I've also included the course outline, the course schedule, the list of weekly readings, which is a list of the articles that I would recommend that you read each week. This Getting Started list is just that. It's a list of suggestions and things that you might want to do in the next couple of days, maybe the next week, just to successfully get started taking the class. I've also posted the list of weekly discussion leaders here. Just take note that this is mostly set. We'll talk about it as the course gets started. If people add to the class or drop the class, then I'll have to change it, but it is there for your information. I've listed all the assignment details in this document here, and then there are some drop boxes and places to ask questions about the assignments. The virtual Starbucks is just that. It's our virtual coffee shop where you can talk to your classmates about things that maybe aren't totally course related. I've added some information about online learning here, and if this is your first time taking an online class, you might find some of these tips and strategies useful. I've also included a folder with some of the articles that we will be reading during the course of the term. They're not all there. You will have to search for some of them yourself, but some of them are there. And then the next blocks are for your current event activities, which we'll talk about, and then the discussion forums. And you'll see that I've broken it out by week. There's not a lot of information in there in all of the weeks yet. I've kind of left some of it blank, but it gives you a sense of how the course will be structured. This week, week 1, we will be doing introductions. So take note of the information in this week and the discussion forums here where I'd ask you to introduce yourself and post your getting to know you form in the next couple of days. So I hope this has been helpful. It gives you a little bit of an overview of some of the things you should be paying close attention to as we get started with this class. And as always, if you have questions, do let me know. Thanks.